you could be honest, it looks terrible right now, I know that. Now here's the thing about rocks, they're kind of heavy. You might just need some muscles to make it a cool little entryway to your properties. You don't want to just, I mean, even if you live in suburbia, you don't want to just like stick a rock, like one rock, and let it just sit there. So what we got is one big rock, and then another pretty big rock over here. And then we got these other rocks now, and we'll kind of put them together and then drop the back. We got the dirt mountain that we put, and we put the rocks on the top of the dirt mountain. So then we can kind of dig underneath the rocks, and then you sort of push, teeter totter, and under control, set them where you want, because they're gonna fall into whatever. I'll build a little hole right here where it just falls in and sets down, because I can tip a rock, but I can't like pick it up and put it back up there. You know, prop that rock up. Maybe we'll do something smarter than muscles and use like a pry bar or a T-post or something along those lines. But the big idea here is to always start with your rocks on the top and then drop them down to get them set in, so you have some kind of sweet entryway that doesn't look absurd. Same thing over here, we got a few big ones. So we'll have to just get them to kind of sit, put the rocks up high so they don't collapse, and then you can set them where you want. That it ends up looking sweet. Better, I'd say it feels like we got a real entry to a real house. Man, oh man, isn't that nice? Whew. Look at these rocks. Here, check this out. We set these in with a skid. We put those in with hands and muscles. You can see over here. So basically, even though that rock looks utterly massive, you can still move it. You can't pick the whole thing up, but you can move it. With this huge one that we have here, we wrapped straps around the top and attached that to our old vehicle. We pulled it just slightly. Now it's decently straight. Big rock. I only smashed my finger a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little smash. No big deal, everybody. Look at that curvature. Look at those rocks. Isn't that nice? Oh yeah. Look how nice that is. You drive in, you just have this nice pretty entryway, and you feel like you're home. I'd say it's a success.